We're going to begin our conversation for the Meraki mobile app by starting in the web dashboard. In the web dashboard, I have multiple networks inside of my organization. I'm going to select the corporate network, and we'll be able to take a look here at the switches available. We'll go to Switch, and then we'll select Switches. And inside of my corporate network, we have 2 switches currently deployed. Using the Meraki mobile app, we're going to deploy 2 more switches, and we're going to watch the reflected changes occur here. Let's begin onboarding our Meraki switches by using the Meraki mobile app. This app is available for both Apple iOS and Android devices. After opening our Meraki app, we start with our network summary page. The dashboard network I'm working within is my corporate network. This is identified at the top of the network summary page. You can select it and change it to another dashboard network if desired. This is important because any devices we claim or add from our inventory into this dashboard network will be placed in the corporate network we have selected. In order to access our current Meraki devices deployed in the corporate network, or to add additional Meraki devices, we will select Devices at the bottom of our app. Within the Devices page, we can see the Meraki devices currently assigned to our corporate dashboard network. Meraki devices not assigned to a network will be shown in your dashboard inventory. Those devices are not displayed on this page. We'll see those later. In order to claim a new switch that is not in our dashboard inventory, we will select the plus at the top right of the screen. The Meraki mobile app will provide some convenient options. The first option is existing device from inventory. This option allows us to add a Meraki device to our corporate network using previously claimed devices that are not currently assigned to a network. We will come back and use this option later. The second option is scan new device barcode. This option allows us to claim a new device into our dashboard inventory and automatically assign it to our previously selected corporate dashboard network. If this scan device already resides in our dashboard inventory, it's simply added to the corporate network. We will choose the option Scan New Device Barcode and use the camera of our mobile device to easily claim a new device. At this point, I will pick up a Meraki switch, locate the serial number on the back, and my mobile device's embedded camera will be able to scan the serial number and populate it for me within the Meraki app. The Add Device page will allow us to record information specifically for the deployment of our Meraki switch. We have the ability to name our device for ease of reference in the Meraki dashboard, provide additional notes, include current or add new tags. We can also add location data using our embedded GPS or by providing location information ourselves. We can even take a quick photo here for our device mounting. When we are ready, we will select Done at the top right. The Meraki device is claimed into our dashboard inventory, assigned to the corporate network, and it would have any information or tags added appropriately. And now we have 2 options. We can select Done and return to our now updated list of devices for our corporate network, or we can select Add Another and continue adding devices to the corporate network from our inventory or from using our camera. Let's continue by selecting Add Another. We will be adding a previously claimed Meraki switch from our dashboard inventory by selecting Existing Device from Inventory. This inventory listing will only display Meraki devices that have previously been claimed by our organization but is not assigned to a network. While viewing the dashboard inventory, we can see the claimed devices sitting right here, but if we have a larger inventory, we can use the search ability at the top. Depending on the amount of previously claimed devices, you can easily locate and select your Meraki switch needed for your network edition. The Meraki switch I've selected is already claimed in my organization, but not assigned to a network and ready to be added to my corporate network. If I go to the top right and I select Next, this switch is now assigned to the corporate network and we can begin the initial deployment configuration. Just as we experienced adding the previous Meraki switch, we can now record the information for the initial deployment of our Meraki switch from the inventory. If we feel content with the information currently provided and we're done adding any further items, we can go to the top right and select Done. The Meraki switch from our dashboard inventory is assigned to the corporate network. The initial device info we have provided is applied to the Meraki switch as it first connects to the Meraki dashboard. To view our updated list of Meraki devices in our corporate network, we can easily select Done at the bottom or in the top right. Our Meraki devices for our corporate network now include 2 additional switches. We're going to see what else the Meraki app is capable of, and we're going to select one of those Meraki switches that we just finished adding to the corporate network. Immediately upon accessing the Meraki switch, we can see the status and connectivity information. We're also able to see the currently connected clients and the device usage data. If we select ports, we're taken to the ports page. Here you can view the physical ports of the Meraki switch, and we're even able to select each individual port, for example, port 1, and we can view the current configuration, and we can even edit the configuration here as well. If we go back by selecting the back button, we can then select details. By selecting details, we can see specific information regarding our device, including firmware, tags, IP addressing, serial, model information, and more. At the bottom of the details page, we even have the ability to remove this switch from the current corporate network and place it back in our dashboard inventory. As we close down this demonstration, we can go and select the tools. And inside of tools, we have the ability to troubleshoot our network by using our mobile device on the go. If you want to use the convenience of the Meraki app to troubleshoot those network issues, support tickets, or just head to the tools page for a place to play around, the Meraki app provides a complete set of tools for verification and troubleshooting as you see here. We're going to return to our Meraki devices as we close out the demonstration. I'll select devices, and here we have our list of all of our Meraki gear on the corporate network. Let's head on back to the Meraki web dashboard. We can go ahead and enter our corporate network. We'll take a look at our current switches. And now, where before we had 2 switches, we now have 4 Meraki switches online connected to the Meraki web dashboard. At this time, we can continue configurations here, as well as manage our network between the Meraki mobile app and the Meraki web dashboard.